math. It's almost definitely the most important discovery ever made by humanity. We invented a wheel with it. We got man to the moon with it. We invented electronics with this. You wouldn't be watching this video if it weren't for math. Even the universe wouldn't exist if it weren't for math. However, not all fields of math are created equally, and today I'm going to talk about one of them that aren't as good. This type of math, with quotation marks, is really bad and you barely learn anything, and it's not even math. I present you to the strange, weird, and terrible world of math mashups. My name's the Amazing Tristeon, and let's get started! Now, if you want to know why they are so bad, first of all you have to know what they actually are. Math mashups are a form of math where you have number puzzles with hidden features that make no sense whatsoever. People still call them just because they want to find patterns in things that don't actually have any patterns. So essentially it's just a terrible form of math. Here is a basic example of one of these math mashups. There are three answers, one of them is correct. So first of all, the obvious answer is sunflower equals 2. So then Enderman equals sunflower plus sunflower. So then 2 Enderman equals what? So then you would guess that, well, it's 8 because sunflower equals 2, and then this is 4, so then it's 4 times 2. Now these two lines are going to be the same the entire time, so I won't say them. But that's wrong, because you can see that the Enderman's holding a sunflower, which brings us to our next type. This one goes, okay, so sunflower is 2, so all this left is still the same. So then 2 Enderman, and he's holding a sunflower, so then just plus a sunflower equals what? So then 2, that's 4 plus 6, then 4 plus 2, so then that's 6 times 2, that is 12. Now, that's also not true. The correct answer is that 2 Endermen holding a sunflower, which was what we can presume is a sunflower. It barely looks like anything. We can just say it's a sunflower just because what else could it be? It's completely independent from Enderman or sunflower. It's like saying if you have this, if we have oak planks, and then say that oak planks equals 1, spruce planks equals 2, then what does this look like? Now to the math mashup, the answer is 3, because 1 plus 2 equals 3. But in reality, this is completely independent variables. It has absolutely nothing to do with these. Now, in order to understand what an independent variable is, you first of all have to understand what a variable is. A variable is just a number, of a symbol that can be assigned a number value and can change. Like, for example, pretend that x, I know this is a really bad thing. Okay, here, x. Okay, I'll go one more. I know this is kind of bad, but okay, so I'm working on time, but okay, so let's pretend x equals this. X equals, if x equals 1, so x equals 1, so then if I later on go in a math problem, if I go x minus 1, then the answer is 1 minus 1, because x is the 1. So then the answer equals 0. These are commonly used in math programs everywhere, but having associated variables is essentially, like I said before, saying that x plus xy equals x plus y. Here's an example. Here we have my rather basic house that I built. It's a really bad house, has no flooring, nothing to do, really bad wall pattern, way too small. If I increase this, if I increase the size to here, I know I'm going to fix that with that. If I increase the size to here while doing the exact same thing, then we go here and then we add in the pillars, and then ugh, sorry, so sorry for the time, but if we have this, then it's bigger, sure, but is it actually better? Well, yes, because it's bigger, but it still has all of the flaws. It still is way too small. It doesn't have protection, has a bad wall design, bad roof design, no floor, nothing inside to do. It's just a big hall, an empty hall that's worthless. So that's essentially what they're saying. It's better for sure because you have more room, but it's not 2 times better just because it has 2 times the space. Now, I have another example of why they're so bad. If we have here, we have 1 plus 1, so the obvious answer is 2. Well, actually no, because under here, we have some sea pickles, and for some reason I just decide right now, 1 sea pickle is equal 1 number, a 1, so then 8 sea pickles is worth 8, so then 1 plus 1 is actually 1 plus 9, so the answer is 10! That's not true. All the math mashups are about is hiding something within something, and doing it wrongly. And here we have one last example. Welcome to the test lab. As you can see here, we have 4 sea pickles. They all look the same, except for the amount. One has 4. Oh wait, they all have 4 now. How did that happen? Okay, I have to fix that. So 1 has 2. 1 has 2. 1 has 3. And 1 has 4. Now, what's the light level of all of them? Now, the correct answer is 6, 9, 12, 15. The answer that people who like was that ugh. Okay, sometimes happens, especially when I'm trying to do awesome videos. Seriously, remember, Tristeon, remember. Oh yeah, math mashups. So, math mashups say, well, this one's 6, then this one's 12, then this one's 18, then this one's 24. But that's impossible. 18 and 24 aren't in the game, so it's just impossible. And that kind of plays out like that in real life. You're using modular logic by saying that a plus b equals ab, which isn't true. ab can be its own independent variable. Okay, like and subscribe for more awesome content. And this is the Amazing Tristeon signing out. Oh, and also, make sure to check out Spot Sign. He's a really cool creator who makes tons of very educational videos. Okay, now for the last time, this is the Amazing Tristeon signing